It's really my last night sleeping in this apartment. December 2020. And finally moving out June 2023. That's wild. So I've been here for 2021, 22. So I've been here 2 years and 6 months. 1634E, we out.
My main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that.
Y'all, so I was supposed to move ever since like the middle of May, and this shit just been happening. So finally, today's the day, right? And guess what? They took off a lot off the rent because they put me through a lot of bullshit. So yeah, be patient, because sometimes good things happen after your patience is moving they bitches. Okay, guys, so when you first walk in, you walk straight into a room. This will be our guest room, and when we know we don't have a guest for a long time, apparently it's going to be Keem's man cave. So yeah, that's that. So let's head out. That's the front door. And then here we have, like a little coat closet or whatever. Usually just extra stuff going there. That's about it. And then right here is the living room. We got the fireplace, and the TV is going to go above the fireplace. And then there's the balcony. Full view of the apartment right here. Yes, it's carpet. I love carpet personally because it feels more homey. But yeah, that's the hot water heater in that room is what I was saying. All right, kitchen time. So we have a white stove. Should have been black, but whatever, And then we got the gray cabinetry. Look at me trying to sound bougie. They messed up my cabinets, and I think that was when they were bringing in the refrigerator. And then we have our dishwasher here, and our new refrigerator, fresh out the box. I saw when they brought that in. Yeah, we like to see that. Okay, and this is our washer and dryer room. Yeah, this is not a brand new apartment. Stepping stone, another stepping stone until next year when I buy. Look at them handprints. All right, that's the balcony. It's much bigger than the one that we had before. And now we don't have a front view anymore. We have a back view, sadly, because there's nothing back there. All right here on the right, this is Kayana's room. Real nice, real cute enough. / my office. Because, we're going to be spending time together anyway, so I might as well just put my office in here too. And my office only consists of my computer and my desk, so it's not too much. And then when you walk here to the left, you have your restroom. They got to come in here and do some resurfacing and stuff, so excuse if you see anything that looks crazy. Yeah. So, yeah, they got to resurface my tub, so that's why it looks like that. And, yeah, that's that. And we have 2 doors because there's only one restroom, but it goes into the master bedroom. And, again, that sink, they have to resurface. So, yeah. This is our closet for the master bedroom. Excuse me. And then the master bedroom. Yeah, that's it, y'all.